An organization administrator can download and run reports on demand or schedule them in advance as needed through the portal. The reports available to run are call reports, device user reports, location reports, recent issues. Network element reports. To create a report, navigate to Reports tab and select Create Reports from the left sidebar. Note that some menu items may be unavailable depending on your role. Next, expand the report sections to locate the desired report. Click the Action menu and select Run and Download Now or Schedule Report. To run and download a report on demand, select Run and Download Now from the Reports Action menu. Choose a date range from the date picker using the interactive calendar or preset selections. Today starts at 12 a.m. on the current day and continues for 24 hours. Yesterday starts at 12 a.m. on the day before the current day and continues for 24 hours. This week starts at 12 a.m. on the first day, Sunday, of the current week and continues for 7 days. Last week starts at 12 a.m. on the first day, Sunday, of the week before the current week and continues for 7 days. This month starts at 12 a.m. on the first day of the current month and continues for all the days of that month. Last month starts at 12 a.m. on the first day of the month before the current month and continues for all the days of that month. Custom, automatically selected when choosing a user-defined data range via the calendar. Select a time zone using the dropdown. This field will only be selectable for reports where a time zone is relevant to the data in the report. The time zone selection will adjust the time outputted in the report accordingly. Click Generate Report. A CSV file will download onto your computer. An organization administrator can schedule reports to be run at scheduled times with specified data included. Select Schedule Report from the Reports Action menu, and complete the following fields as required. Scheduled report name. Scheduling information, days and times when you would like the report to run. Report data. Date range. Time zone if applicable. Email information used for sending automated emails to designated recipients upon report generation. Email subject line. Email address. When ready, click Schedule Report. All scheduled reports are viewable on the Scheduled Reports page within the Reports menu from the left sidebar. A table displays the following data about each scheduled report. Report schedule name, report type, scheduling information, recipients, status, details. Click the Details icon to view more detailed information about a specific report. To edit a scheduled report, select Edit from the Reports Action menu. Make changes to the fields as needed and click Schedule Report when finished. To delete a scheduled report, select Delete from the Reports Action menu. You're prompted to confirm the action. Once the report is deleted, it no longer appears in the Scheduled Reports list. When a report is scheduled, you can select Pause from the Reports Action menu to pause it. The status column updates to reflect that the report is paused. Select Resume from the Reports Action menu to reactivate it. This action will update the status column of that report to New. The status column of a given report will change to In Progress when the report is being run.